Crazy, I'm crazy for feeling so lonely.
My God.
I'm crazy,
Yay!
crazy for feeling so blue.
50 years!
Love me as long as you want it, and then someday you leave me for somebody new. Worry, why do I let myself worry? Wondering what in the world did I do? Oh, crazy for thinking that my love could hold you. I'm crazy for trying, and crazy for trying, and I'm crazy for loving you. Crazy, I'm crazy for feeling so lonely. I'm crazy crying, and crazy for trying, and I'm crazy for loving you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for having me today. Oh,
Father,
you're welcome. Thank you for having me.
Oh my God.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. That was fabulous.
Oh, you're very welcome. Thank you very much for having me. Thank you. And thank you again to Terry and Joe for this lovely event that they put on for their son Michael and Shauna. God bless them both. Thank you.
Thank you.